Hello, this is Erwin, and I'm gonna show you on how to draw the tiger. So, it is a mammal, and although I always say it on some of my videos, connecting or related to the mammals, but it's not a point. My point is that I'm gonna draw the tiger, and I'm gonna prove to you that it's not that much harder. It's not that like that. It's not like that. It is pretty easy to draw. So yeah, so let's get started. Let's draw the guidelines. So draw the vertical line, 6 inches vertical line, and draw the 6 inches horizontal line at the top, and draw some 2 vertical line, 6 inches vertical line on the side of it, and draw the 3 inches horizontal line on the 4 inches part of it. And are you wondering why did I found the middle part of it 3 inches? 3 inches? Because, yeah, estimated. Find this line between 1 and 2. Find this line. So, then draw the eyes. So, draw some point here on the ending of the line, on the ending of this line. So, yeah. As you can see, I draw the oval shape, and I draw the crust, and I draw the people just like half, because to make it more like tiger, and then make it darker. Yeah, make it darker. Draw some shadings on the cornea. Once you draw some shadings on it, blend it. Draw the nose. As you can see, draw some 2 slanted line on the bottom part of the nose bridge, and as you can see, draw inverted triangle at the bottom because it's not exactly the nose. This is the guidelines to draw the nose. So right now, draw the nose. I draw the nose just like head of a shaft, and I draw some slanted line around it. And then right now, draw the mouth. So draw it like mustache. I don't know if I pronounce it correctly, but draw it like mustache. So and then draw the lines on the face. And they draw curved line at the bottom and slanted line at the top part of it, and wavy line on the side of it. And then draw and then make a nose and the mouth darker. And then draw some shadings on the nose, but avoid shading on the center part of it. Avoid shading on the center part of it. And then draw some lines on the side of a nose horizontally. Right now, draw the head and the ears on the top. Some curved line on the bottom part of it. And then draw some curved line on the side of it. Just follow the line of this vertical line and move this curvy line to the bottom. Move this curvy line to the bottom. So draw some fur on the nose. As you can see, I draw darker fur on the side of it because yeah, it'll gonna be more look like tiger. And then draw some fur on these wines. So oh, I forgot to mention, just draw some oval shape around the eyes like that. As you can see, I avoided shading the oval shape around the eyes. So right now, draw some patterns, dark patterns like that. Right now, draw some fur on the top part of her head. And then draw some fur on the ears. Draw some fur on the edges. And then draw a little bit of a fur on the empty parts. Draw a little bit of a fur on the empty parts. And then right now, draw some wrinkles. Draw some wrinkles. Then draw some lines along the wrinkles. Draw some lines along the wrinkles. And then since I draw the tiger. In this video, I spent a lot of time, but I'm getting freaking tired now. I want to be fast, but I can't because it is a tiger and it can't do that. So right now I did it. I already did it. So thank you so much for watching. So watch my next video to learn more about my next challenge.